Hey folks, Nick with Cognitos here today to show you how you can extract information from different sources and compare them within the bounds of Cognitos so that you can make sure that you have the right values and reconcile different documents. So let's get started. So what you see here is a process that is reconciling with an email. So what we're going to do here is we have an attachment coming in. We're going to extract information from that attachment. Then we're going to take the email body and we're going to extract information from that. And then we're going to compare those two, and if they compare, then it will say these are equal. And so this process is already put together, so let me go ahead and get the email. And I'll do that by going up here to the ellipses here. I'll say trigger via email. When I do this, what's going to happen is a new email will open up. I'm going to go ahead and paste in the content here, and so this is an email to Bob saying, hey Bob, why haven't you paid our invoice? It gives the date of the invoice summary information, and things of that nature. And so we're going to this, we're going to attach the invoice processing quick start PDF, and I'll show you exactly what that looks like here. So here it is. It's same information, the same invoice number, same date, same invoice amount, so we can see that everything matches right here. And so what we're going to do is send this email in. And so when we send that in, we'll be able to go right to the view runs, and we'll see that start up in just a moment here. And so the email is going through, the email server is getting received by Cognitos. Cognitos is going to start a new run the second that gets picked up, and there it is. So now you see it in this ready status, and we'll be able to click in here and see precisely what's happening as it's happening. So as you can see, it's already picked up the email information, picked up the attachment, and so here's the attachment. It's already extracted the information such as the total and the date, and I actually gave the date wanted to reformat that date and make sure that we do the same thing out of the extraction of the body. So we have the email body here. It's just to show you, it's the exact same information that I just showed you moments ago. And then we go down here where we see the comparison. So what we've done is we've set the data's date to the data date. I know it's a little bit of a tongue twister, but that's what we did. And then we did the total, the data total. And then from the GPT output, we got the GPT date and the GPT total. So here we're saying if the data date is essentially the functional word that is the equal sign, the GPT date, then say these are equal. And it said these are equal. And so we did the exact same thing with the totals, and we see this is equal. And so now in this case I'm just using say and then give a string, which is a great way to test functionality. But this is a way that you can do an activity like if the date doesn't match, send an email notifying blah 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 blah, or update some value in a CRM or something along those lines. So just another way to use Cognitos. Thank you for your time.